Meaning of healthfully.
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 Healthfully. The term healthfully refers to doing something in a manner that promotes or maintains good health. When we say that someone is eating healthfully, for example, we mean that they are consuming foods that are nutrient-rich and free from harmful additives or excessive amounts of sugar, salt, or fat. Similarly, someone who exercises healthfully would be engaging in physical activity that is appropriate for their fitness level and goals, and that they enjoy and are able to sustain over time. Doing things healthfully can help prevent chronic illnesses, boost energy levels, and improve overall well-being.